guys, we're back. Peace. Okay, so I'm going to hide now. Okay, Hallie's going to start counting. Oh my gosh, it's counting. Okay, sorry, I just hid. I'm ready, over. Ooh, Lynn, I'm hiding. Can you see me, over?
Can you see me, over?
Yes, I can see you, over.
How cold, over?
You're pretty cold, over. Hallie doesn't know where I am. Hi, over.
Respond to me.
I am responding to you. Did you say something, over?
No, how cold, over?
You're warmer, but you're pretty cold still, over.
Can you say how you like it, over?
No, you're getting colder, over. What did you say, over? You're getting cold, over. No, go back. You're cold. Yes, that way, over. Yeah, you're getting warmer. I don't know where she is. Yay! You got me.
Right to here.
Yeah, I did. Do you want me to tell you the story about what happened?
Yeah.
So I knew your roommate, he might have been trying to go over there. So I went all the way over there, around, and then I went all the way back here. And I went to go hide.
When I was moving?
No, like right after you start counting. So that's cool. Okay, bye guys, see you later.
Bye, peace.
Bye.